Previously on Milk.
That we're working to get rid of. You ever heard the term food desert?
Food desert?
Yes. You ever heard that term?
No.
Okay. By definition of food.
This boy just made me pass my bus stop. Like I'm just so offended. How could I have allowed this nonsense? Now I'm trekking under the sun.
I am Oi. Milk is about a group of girls touring Lagos and the crazy, stupid, mind blowing experiences they have on this tour. This is Milk.
Looking for a restaurant on a Sunday morning in Lekki is quite interesting because most of these restaurants are not open. And it's kind of difficult. We're having to wake up this morning, getting your clients to call you out and say, babes, please come in food. I want to get food and I need you to follow me. Let's see if we can explore getting food on a Sunday morning. And this actually it's not to 8, like it's not at 8. He's not confident and when they are directing him, this one is I don't know how to explain it to you. Like he disturbed my sleep this morning. I didn't. You did? No, I mean I was still sleeping by 7 o'clock and please don't get food in the restaurants.
Was it because your boss was there? Or
Maybe he was tensed or something, I guess. She was a client that came to make her hair in a nice salon where I worked and she didn't really get what she wanted. Front hair, so you cannot. And you can make braid, like you can do center part, Ghana weaving center part or box braid, then center part.
like Bob Marley 1-1.
Then we'll do it center part. So you mustn't pack it all back. When you pack it all back, that's when you know that there's no front hair. But when you do it center part, you can rock with that, or even side part, you can even still rock with that.
Okay. So should I come back?
So I will tell them. I'll remind her that that model that we didn't make her hair, that you said she should still come back, that she's ready, she has an attachment, that we should basically do her for her.
Let me not provide the attachment.
So I'll still come again. Sure. And this time it's going to be, you're going to love your hair. We'll do a very nice braid for you, like that front that guy did for you. But you know that guy is actually good, Nazim. He's good.
So why did he use my hair?
I think he was just nervous. He was tense. You know, sometimes when some people don't really know how to work on that pressure. Frontal.
Yeah.
What's hair? If you're not patient, if you want to remove your frontal, patiently use a spirit and cotton or water to clean it first. To clean ears on the net, just clean. And you see it pulling out small, and then you're raising it up. Not forcing
it out.
I didn't want to say anything because I don't want to hurt his feelings. And your boss was there, so I would give this bad impression. But you'd have at least still tell him. You'd have still tell him that you're not getting this time. Trust me, soon she'll have to get something right. No, it's not a cancer product. I don't.
Because I'm keeping the natural hair.
You can buy hair fertilizer. It's an hair cream. Can be applied on the edges. You can mix it with Guru Maharaj. That's weed.
Okay.
Then mix it with weed. Pour it in the container because the thing is actually in a tube form. So you can just press it, pour it in the container and can mix the wheat, you can grind it so that it will be smooth, mix it. Then
Do you have it in your store?
No, we don't have it. Or you can still buy coconut oil.
Pure coconut.
Yes.
Where will I get that?
You can make it yourself now. You can just buy coconut like 1,000 naira, grate it,
Okay. Extract the oil.
extract the oil, then you bring the water, then you put it in the pot. As it's boiling, the oil is going to coming up. Then you take the oil, then you can use it, because if you say you want to get original coconut oil right there, they would have mixed it. And it will be still very expensive, so it's better you just use learn how to do it on YouTube.
I'll try. Because I'm really tired of these edges.
So we went to Chicken Republic.
Chicken Republic. It's supposed to be 24 hours, but it's not open.
They're not open. I think so, like 24 hours. I've actually never been to the place, so I don't know there.
Just Chicken Republic or KFC. I'm hungry.
And Chicken Republic, their food is actually nice.
Yeah. But I don't think they're too far. I wish the road can be free like this on Monday. I think you are getting fat than when I saw you.
Yeah, because I'm really eating a lot these days. I mean, I won't care. I want to add weight, also look bigger, more beautiful, you know. This food
for
is,
barbecue and this.
and they do this food is, I don't know if they will be open.
Road chef should be sure. And guess what? We went to road chef.
You will not go to church. They will not take like how many hours?
Like 8 to 12 or 8 to 1.
No, they don't do that 8 to 12 anymore.
So we don't have to enter the restaurant.
I think since they are not fully open, that's why we don't have to. But you can do this now.
Like no edges. You know you have to like bring down some parts.
You have edges, but just that the hair is short. You can do this. I'm sure you can do this.
What do you have?
We have burgers, we have rice and chicken, we have salad, and wrap.
Can we have burger?
Burger, beef burger or chicken burger?
Beef burger.
Beef burger.
Okay, I want rice.
Huh?
Rice.
Hi,
Rice.
the price.
Okay, I want rice
Rice, okay.
and chicken.
Okay.
That one.
Okay, so how much is the burger?
Fries and
Yeah. After we make our burger. So it looks
You see that
nice.
there's edges. This place, like you see here, these are little edges. Just look at the camera. That's why.
That's
you can't
7,000.
see.
Okay. How long will you take?
7,000.
How long will it take?
7 minutes.
7 minutes. Chicken and rice. Did you hear that? Did you hear his pronunciation? Chicken.
But their food here is expensive.
This is my first time. Yeah, order for burger, beef burger and rice, chicken, just at that time.
You can go somewhere else now. Black Bell's food is cheaper. just rice and chicken, but then burger 7,000 is too much. I mean,
Should we go? Can't we just drive?
Should we just drive and show the friends?
Let's just drive.
You're a funny guy. You just drive and you're coming.
That is like one gangster move like that. The Uber guy is a bad guy. I mean, that is so good. He just drove off and the guy was like, where are you guys going to? Like, we're coming. We're not coming anyways, please.
So it's too expensive.
That's what I'm just thinking of.
That's what I was like, are you paying? I mean, this is road trip. It's supposed to be like very affordable. Because people driving just want to pick something and go.
You will get to ShopRite to buy food, like even KFC.
Why are you killing me?
To buy food of 2k each.
What we did was gangster move. We just drove. We just drove off now. And this is the restaurant I'm telling you about.
Just that I went to chicken.
We went to church. We didn't get what we wanted. You actually get satisfaction for your money.
Exactly. Like the welcome you make you feel comfortable.
Yeah.
Let's just spray black bellies open. What bank are you using?
Now we are at Black Bell. Hopefully we'll get nice. Maybe, the reason why I like this is downstairs is too cold.
So we finally found this place, Black Bell. They're open, but then the food is not ready yet. So we're patiently waiting.
It's not like it's cheap, but you get their food is nice and it's not as expensive as other restaurants.
Just end your trip and
We eat. We go to book out, but out to get shawarma.
the food has to make up for all this waka we did this morning, you know.
How much do they sell? The normal rice and
It's a
chicken.
portion.
Like one portion of water.
Depending on the rice. Like village rice, like 600 portion. Anything?
A portion is enough for you.
That's when I'm not hungry. Yeah. So Black Bell is open 24 hours on a Sunday in Lekki.
So we're still waiting for our food. I hope the food comes out very nice. Like I'm so
Seriously. I read seen.
Like it has to.
I think by now other restaurants should be open because it's 8 a.m. already.
But most of them will open by 9. As in,
Just on a Sunday or like during the week.
Black Bell and
do some
buy chicken, rice, fried rice,
And the
this,
thing is,
that.
it's so hard to get money, but then very easy to spend.
Very,
It just goes like so fast.
Next on milk.
Why? How you been?
Strong. How about you? Good. The gym I use is just in that plaza there, so this is like my cool down spot. Although it's never really cool, it's my cool down spot after work. Okay.
Okay, so
I would like to have your phone number.
okay, sure.